Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove page setup in Excel. We'll cover essential steps to ensure your spreadsheets print exactly as intended. This guide will help you manage print areas, reset page breaks, and adjust margins and orientation for a clean, professional look. By the end, you'll have full control over your Excel print settings, saving you time and frustration. First, let's tackle clearing the print area. This is crucial if you've previously defined a specific section to print and now want to print the entire sheet or a different range. Simply go to the Page Layout tab, find the Page Setup group, click on Print Area, and then choose Clear Print Area. This ensures Excel no longer restricts your printing to a specific selection, allowing for a full sheet print. Next, we'll address page breaks. Sometimes, manual page breaks can cause your data to split across pages unexpectedly. To remove all manually inserted page breaks, head to the Page Layout tab, click on Breaks within the Page Setup group, and then select Reset All Page Breaks. This will revert your sheet to automatic page breaks or remove them entirely if none are needed, giving you a continuous flow. Finally, let's fine-tune your page margins and orientation. On the Page Layout tab, you'll find options for margins and orientation. You can select from preset margins like normal, wide, or narrow, or define custom margins for precise control. Choose between portrait, which is taller than wide, or landscape, which is wider than tall, to best fit your data on the printed page. These adjustments ensure your content is perfectly aligned.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.